Imagine if Thomas Edison had given up after his first few failures. The light bulb, one of his greatest inventions, wouldn't exist. Today, we're exploring Hexagram 4, learning from the Yijing, to inspire you to persevere through challenges and embrace the journey of learning. Imagine you're faced with a tricky math problem. It's frustrating, and you feel like giving up. But Hexagram 4 teaches us that even in challenging moments, we should never stop learning. Take Thomas Edison, for example. He failed over 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. Instead of giving up, he saw each failure as an opportunity to learn and grow. Life is full of lessons, and it's up to us to embrace them. Whether it's learning a new skill or overcoming a challenge, remember that every experience is a chance to learn and grow. So the next time you face a challenge, remember Hexagram 4, learning. Keep an open mind, stay curious, and never stop learning. Life's lessons are valuable, and they can lead to amazing discoveries.